So today we're going to talk about how to make a chain stitch. Now this is the most basic stitch you can make in crochet, and it's going to be the start of most of your projects. So the first thing we need to do is create a knot, but it's a special kind of knot. So we're going to take our yarn and loop it around. Then we're going to take that loop off, and what we want is to take the long piece that's attached to our ball and put it through that loop. Once you have that, you can just pull it tight. Now before you make this loop a little bit smaller, go ahead and insert your crochet hook, and then you can just kind of pull that tight. Now you should have the loose, so this tail is not going to adjust in length, but the thing that goes to the ball, the tail that goes to the ball, it should be able to adjust. So we want to get that snug on the hook, not so tight that we can't really move it. It can have a little bit of room on it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to loop our hook around the yarn and pull it through. That's all there is to it. But I'm going to give you some hints to just help you do this a little bit easier. So first of all, you're going to take your thumb and your middle finger, and you're just going to hold it on the stitch below where you're working. Then you can pull through the loop. Now you may have a little hard time doing this when you get started because this is all about tension. The tension you have in your hand holding that yarn. And what's going to make these stitches even is just practice. Practice with that tension. So another thing you can do is take your pointer finger and put it on this loop as you grab the yarn. And that's just going to make it a little bit easier to grab the loop. Now just move your fingers up every few stitches. Grab that yarn, pull it through, grab that loop, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the loop, grab the yarn, pull it through. 3 stitches is usually about as many as I'll go before moving up these fingers, just because after that point it can get a little bit hard to control the yarn and your tension is going to get off a little bit. Perfect. Now if you'd like to learn how to single crochet or double crochet, here's a couple videos to help you out. These videos will also show you how to turn and go on to the next row.